Alright guys, so I got the exhaust on. I'm exhausted. How ironic, right? But anyway, so this is what it looks like. This is a diameter. I don't exactly have a ruler. So it has a little bit of engraving here. I went with these silver tips. I can't see myself paying additional $100 for colored tips, although I wanted them, but I mean, I've got a family, so I can't be wasting my money. One issue I've realized is it's touching the bumper here. I might have to make an adjustment to that. It's touching here too, so I may just grind that piece of plastic down. Nobody's gonna know any difference. Other than that, everything looks good. Underneath, this is what it looks like. It's got some engraving over there. I had to make an adjustment. That's actually what the instruction says. Each muffler has some possible adjustments that needs to be done. These are 14 millimeters. It's also 14 millimeters on the spring loaded bolts up in the front, so that's all you need. I used an impact gun. You don't really need it. It's quite loose, but it just made it so much easier because I'm actually out of shape. I really have been out of the automotive business for such a long time that yeah, I realize I'm really out of shape now. But anyway, so I'm gonna start it up and I'm gonna check for some exhaust leaks. Let's hear it and see how it goes. I'm gonna bring my tools out in case if the car drops or anything. I don't want it to break my tools. If you guys are interested what impact gun I used, I have this IR. It's a bit old, but it's actually pretty good. The only thing is it arcs in this chamber. It's not brushless. So, alright, let's see how it goes. Just started up. Sorry guys, I'm just walking around doing all my things. Putting away my tools. Sorry guys. Alright, so, okay, put it in neutral. It's got a nice deep bass tone. So anyone who's never installed exhaust, don't be surprised if it smells real bad. It's just the coating on the inside. It'll burn off after so many miles, sometimes it's so many hours. So it'll be quite stink, and you might feel nauseated. I used to feel nauseated when I did my old cars. But anyways, that's it guys. I'm gonna put this on the stand and then maybe you can hear it from here. And I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, I mean, for people who've been subscribing, I really appreciate it. Sorry, I'm trying to get this on a tripod. I'm just using my phone. And yeah, I really appreciate it. It really helps my family out. And okay, so I'm gonna step on the gas a couple times and then I'm gonna close out the video. Alright guys, so that's it. Thumbs up.